One of Kim Porter's final wishes was for this memoir or diary to be made public, out of protection for certain parties and their potential criminal activity. Some celebrities, performers, and events have been represented with X's due to their highly explosive nature. At some point in the future, this information will be revealed to the public regarding Kim's sudden death and the mysterious illnesses of L.B. Schur and Jamie Foxx. Evidence does exist that points to foul play and or poisoning. God bless Kim Porter and all of Sean Combs' victims, both male and female.